Thank you for the update there. Today, the Trump administration is restarting the collection of defaulted federal student loans.
This is part of a broader effort to roll back loan forgiveness policies and dismantle the Department of Education. CBS 8's Chris Grow, live at San Diego State with everything we know here this morning. Chris.
Yeah, and it's important to note, again, this is for those who are in default, which means that you haven't made a payment in about 270 days, so nearly about a year's worth of having not made any type of payments towards your student loan, either that being the principal or the interest. Now, this is expected to impact about 5 million borrowers here who have not made such payments. So the Trump administration is going to be restarting collection of those defaulted student loans. And what this will look like here is that this will likely result in the garnishment of wages, but also potentially if you receive state or federal benefits. Now, those wages will likely start that garnishing in the summer. Now, there are a series of actions that you can take to try to improve your situation here, right? We spoke with one expert who says you could look into income-based repayment plans so that you get those payments restarted. You can look at payment pauses, which would be called deferment or forbearance or consolidation or even refinancing. We heard from a personal finance columnist at the San Francisco Chronicle who says the best thing that you can do is to try to go ahead and get those payments restarted. You don't want to put your head in the stand because there is a huge impact to your credit score if you do have your wages garnished. Take a listen.
It's sent to collections, that goes onto your credit report, and that can impact your ability to get an apartment, a mortgage, a car loan, even some employers check.
And while this is expected to impact about 5 million people who are already default on their loans, there are at least 4 million American borrowers who haven't made a payment in about 90 days or more. Eric and Netta.
Okay, important information.